Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday English. So this lesson series is designed for beginners. So if you're a beginner, please subscribe to my channel. All right, so again, are you ready for some dictation? Yes, okay. So I'm going to say an English phrase. Please repeat after me. I'll actually write it down on a piece of paper or in your notebook. Okay, here I go. I will call you later. I will call you later. Please write it down and we'll talk about what it means. Okay, the answer is I will call you later. I hope that was easy. Yes, it was easy enough for beginners. Okay, now let's take a look. So we use will to indicate a promise or decision we make at that moment. In daily conversation, will often express something you've just thought of or decided. So it's not a plan you had from before. It's something you decide at that moment. Okay? And there's another usage. So when you want to express your determination to do something, we would also use will. For instance, you can say, I will study English every day starting today. So in that sentence, you're expressing your determination to study English, and it usually is something that you decide on the spot. Okay, so now let's practice pronunciation. I will call you later. I will call you later. Okay, and the first part, I will, sometimes we use the contraction, I'll. I'll. Okay, so let's do that version too. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Okay, great job. So now I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever used the will to express a spontaneous decision or actually a strong determination to study English? If you haven't, let's do it right now. Okay, so I want to hear your determination, your commitment to English. Please use will in the comment sections, okay? All right, so thank you very much for tuning in once again. And remember, will is a powerful word for expressing your commitment, okay? And I want to see that commitment from you today. So please comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the daily phrases. And see you in the next video, and keep practicing your English with determination, all right? And for beginners, most of the script is in the details section, or you can always use the subtitles function on YouTube to check out what I was saying. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again. Take care, bye.